Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cook TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit by Marijke Kok, and it's cup 1090648_936. It's called Mr. Fix-It Mail Card Mini Kit. You get 3 sheets and it fits an 8x8 inch square card. You've got decoupage sentiments and inserts, and it's ideal for any guy or gal in your life that's a DIYer. Now, in the kit, there's 3 sheets. I'd like to run through the sheets and then we'll make the card. The first sheet is the main image for your 8x8 inch square card, and then we've got lots of sentiments as well. I'm actually going to use the Happy Father's Day sentiment because I want to show you that you can change the sentiment that's on the front of the card front. Our next sheet is the actual decoupage for the card, and we've got lots of layers. And we've also got a blank sentiment panel as well, just in case maybe you want to rubber stamp or write something and just add your own personal touch. Lots of decoupage layers and one main decoupage layer there. And then our last sheet is the insert for the card. So we're going to go ahead and make the card. I've got an 8x8 inch square white card, and we're going to start with the insert. So the insert panel I've cut out, and I've already got double-sided tape on the back, so I can just pull off the carrier sheet. Now I always say, because I use flat double-sided tape, but you could use a tape runner, you could use wet glue, whatever you're comfortable using. I personally like the double-sided tape, and it's quick and easy for videoing. So now we're just going to add the insert panel into the insert of the card and press it down. I've also taken the blank sentiment panel. Now at this point I could have rubber stamped a sentiment on it. I've left it blank, and I'm just going to add it, I think, about here. So it's kind of in line with the panel on the front of the card. I'll just press it down. Now for the outside of the card, we're going to start with the main image. So this is the main base image for the card, and we're going to build up the decoupage on the card. I'm using flat double-sided adhesive, pulling away the back of it, and I'm just going to position the front of the card central to our main base card and then press it down. There we go. Our first layer is our large layer of decoupage. 3D foam on the back, and we just marry up the design with the design on the front of the card. So we layer the actual layer of the decoupage over the top and then press it down. Then we can add our next layer. I've cut it out, and I've cut out the little sections as well. I don't know if you can see that. Now you can use your tiny decoupage scissors, or you can use a craft knife, whatever you're comfortable using. I've got 3D foam on the back, and again we just marry up the design from the previous layer. Then we can start adding all the smaller pieces of decoupage. We've got the saw, we've got the hats, hard hats, the drill, I think it's a drill, 3D foam on the back, there we go, and tape measure, again 3D foam on the back, there we go, add that. And then to finish the card, I've cut out the sentiment saying Happy Father's Day. I've got 3D foam on the back. Now just because that says Happy Birthday, there are the extra sentiments included. So if you're not wanting to send this to a birthday boy or birthday girl, you can add Happy Father's Day or one of the other messages that was included. So all you have to do is pop that over the top, press it down, and nobody would ever know that was actually saying birthday underneath. And that is our finished card, and it all goes together perfectly. Such a brilliant card for any DIYer. Now I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 1090648_936, and you can search for any of Marijke Kok's work on Craftsuprint by searching her name. I'm so sorry if I've pronounced that wrong. So I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.